In this video, I will show you how I make homemade sunscreen with SPF of 20. Now I added in the description below a link to a blog that talks about how much sun we should really be exposed to and how the SPF is calculated. So if you want to know more, just check the link below. Now let's get into the recipe. Now with this recipe it's good to be precise, so please use a scale and start by adding 42.5 grams of coconut oil. It is a natural SPF of about 2 to 8. It's antibacterial and it's a great moisturizer. Then turn your scale to 0 again to add the second ingredient. Second, add 22.5 grams of shea butter. It is also a natural SPF of 3 to 8. It's a good source for vitamins for skin. It's anti-inflammatory. Next, we are going to add beeswax, which will make it a waterproof sunscreen. I have the beeswax in these bars, so I'm going to take a smaller piece to see how much it is. And we need 22.5 grams of beeswax. And the best thing to do is to shred it, as it will melt much easier. Add it to the rest of the ingredients, and then you will need to melt these over a double boiler or just a melting pot. I like to use this melting pot as I melt a lot of butters and oils, and it makes it much easier. Last ingredient is a non-nano zinc oxide, which is going to be 22.5 grams as well, which is 20%, and it is the sun protection, both UVA and UVB. You mix the oils and the zinc oxide together, and lastly I am adding a few drops of vitamin E as well as a few drops of geranium essential oil, as they are both great for skin. You stir really well and you will see it becomes like a creamy white consistency. Then I've waited a little bit for the oils to cool down a little bit, and I'm adding it in containers. Now I've had this kind of glue stick that I've cleaned really well. It's great to use it as you just push the cream on top and spread it on the skin, but obviously you can use any type of container. The sunscreen spreads really well on the skin, and it provides a really thick layer, as you can see. Don't put too much like I did right here, as it is really concentrated and you will struggle to spread it all over, so you just need a tiny bit. And here I want to show you how the water kind of slides off the skin as the wax is making it waterproof. Well, that's it for now. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know with a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And I'm so excited because there are so many other great tutorials and homemade stuff that I've planned. So if you want to see more, just subscribe.